A stain shows where water landed, not where it got in. Water can cross several feet of rafter before it drops, so the mark on your ceiling rarely sits under the opening in the roof. We begin above the wet spot and work backward. Transitions come first, because flashing at walls, chimneys, and valleys begins more leaks than anything else. Penetrations follow, then low-slope laps and drains, and the open field comes last. Flat and low-slope roofs leak at the laps between sheets, at the edge metal, and around drains and scuppers. Water stands over the weakest seam and works at it for hours during a storm. A leak that shows only after long rain often points there. A leak repair replaces the failed section at the entry point. Sealant on its own leaves the failed material underneath. We take the flashing out rather than patch it, replace a split vent boot hole, and open past wet wood until the sheathing is sound. Protect what sits under the drip and leave the roof surface alone. Nobody needs to climb a ladder. Write down the room, when the mark appeared, and whether it grew after the last rain. Call Pasadena roofing contractors and tell us where the water shows up at 626-240-1360.